Yeah, we are cooking a steamed dim sum. After a cook steamed dim sum, uh, we upgrade fried dim sum. After this, we make the fried rice dim sum, okay, with meatballs and gravy. It's already done. With beef with Korean green peas with sweet corn and pure beef for food tomorrow. Okay, it's easy to cook. Okay, easy to cook. Then we separate what do I call this? We separate apart. Okay, now it's my pulutan. Thinking you take for pulutan. You can do pulutan or breakfast at work. Okay. This is the leftover rice, so you can put salt and pepper to make a fried rice. Okay, with your dim sum, we use a special sauce in the kitchen. We switch off because overcooked. Okay, easy to cook. Yeah. This is a fried rice dim sum. Okay, a little bit what's this? Kinesa mix with pepper and salt. With no salt, we can put a bit oil. Okay, a little bit oil. Okay. Okay. Separate. After that seasoning. Okay. The fried rice at the stage is to become a fried rice dim sum. Yeah. Easy to do. A leftover rice before you drink to unwind. Easy. Okay. With meatballs and gravy, with fried rice, with ratatampulos is like looks like igado. Okay, with dim sum fried after steam. Okay, it's already done. Into it now. Okay, preparing a dim sum food. Okay, to save again the gas, we need to transfer this to become reheat. Okay? It's switch off. Okay, with gravy soup for my meatballs, okay? Beef meatballs and beef wonton. Then upgraded by steam, after steam and fried. Okay, so ready to eat. Use the plate to transfer the fried rice. Okay, it's good. Okay, like Goma House, the block of Goma House. Okay, okay. We need preparing our dishes for tonight with dampulos after. Okay, and the others for baon, for food for the work tomorrow. Now it's ready to eat. Um, Meatballs steak, okay, with fried rice, dim sum, okay, with gravy and with the pollutants, and after having you drinking unwind for work tomorrow because we have overtime. Okay, so it's ready to eat now. Okay, see you guys. That's it for now, for tonight. And subscribe for my YouTube channel and click the button for notification bell. And hopefully you can watch my latest video and upload it for this week. Okay, see you guys. And Mabalos for amazing tips how to make a pulutan, or having you drinking a beer, or drinking a beer, whiskey or brandy with beef, okay, with the fried rice and shawmai or wonton dim sum, okay, with the gravy beef meatballs steak, okay, with the delicious sauce of gravy with complete accessories. Okay, okay, see you guys. Hopefully you like this video for tonight, and subscribe and click the button notification bell for new upcoming uploaded videos. Okay, hopefully you like it. See you again tomorrow for upcoming videos. Mabalos.